allows us to easily switch from the standard workplace, how it's look like right now, to colorways workplace and come back again. The colorways workplace is great for quick and easy adjustment of graphic placement and swapping colorways. The next on main toolbar from home is the file button, where we're gonna save the work or take the work. You can see it was a lot of them what I was working about, so I can come back and just take from them there. And this is the save button. Next along we have undo, redo, and history. The best practice to check the history before using undo or redo. Next one, it's render button. We will review it later. Next, we have some tools. Select, texture, stitch, assign, insert, pen, and the very, very good one, we need this arrange mode. The next button and drop down are for the size set. Base size of Debra, it's medium size. And we have small, large, and extra large size. If we have our pattern to be graded already, we can put all garment in a different size and see this from size small to size extra large. We can click view all to go to the colorways workplace. The next button from colorways is prepare, how we can see our garment before to sewing. We can move our pattern if we want to, up or down, to make something out and see. The next one after prepare is the dress, and we can see our garment exactly on our model. The dress button we also call simulation. We want to simulation bar to finish all the way before continue to next step. To finish the undress button. You can click to undress the avatar. The final button is the styling. Styling adjustment for dresses garment. Now let's us look again in the window. Across the top of the window is a selection tools. These ones. First one is texture. If it's on, we can click and see exactly how texture of this fabric looks like. To increase this, we can see it. Those tools look like the tools above, but this says only effect what we can see for interface. The first tool toggle is texture, and if this tool is on, when it's highlighted, we see any material texture. But if it's off, you can see only outline of the pattern pieces. The next tool toggle is the display of stitches. What we stitch and how it look like. The next toggle shows the nest. How many different sizes we have and how they graded. This one is background grid. If we want to change something on a pattern, we need something graded behind us, and we can just make our pattern. If we want to know how much we have to increase or decrease, it will be very easy to do. And next one is the window rules, but usually we don't use it. Let's look right now in 3D window across the top. We have some toggles too. Let's review. First one, it's the tension map. We can edit and see the tension of this garment on our model. Next, after tension map, it's pressure map. When it's yellow, it's already a little bit pressure over there. This one, it's really good toggle. It's fast mode. If we gonna dress and we need to dress faster, so we just click on fast mode and it's gonna be very, very fast dress the garment on the body. Another one, we can change position of the avatar and see in different records how it's look our garment. This is the front, this is the left side, this is the back, this is the right side. And here, I didn't tell you, we can change position of our model to be like this, to be like that. Change position and dress and see what happens. The last toggle, it's unlocked. So we can unlock and see out to the window or just bring this back again. Here in 2D window, we can bring our patterns together in any different size of window. We can increase view or decrease view, or go and see pattern in the back, how it look like if we really need it. We can drag each window to resize it and make our area where we're working more comfortable, bigger or smaller. We will finish with a cool tip with our mouse in the 2D window and pressing the tab. It's fully extend only our 2D window. Pressing again the tab, return to previous size. How it was like that. So now it was the introduction of this teacher interface. I hope you like this in the beginning, and next time we're gonna do exactly garment. I will explain to you how to add the pattern inside and how we can stitch everything and see in a body. Thank you so much to watching this, and see you soon.